Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through one of the most useful features available on Google Maps, real-time location sharing. Whether you're meeting up with friends, letting your family know where you are, or making sure someone gets home safely, sharing your live location can offer peace of mind and convenience. So, let's dive into how you can do this in just a few simple steps. To begin, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account and that your location services are turned on. You can check this by swipe down your screen phones and enabling GPS or location access for Google Maps. Next, in the top right corner of the app, tap on your profile picture or your initial icon. This will open a small menu. From here, tap on Location Sharing. Once inside the Location Sharing menu, tap on the Share Location button. Google Maps will now ask how long you want to share your location for. You can choose a specific time, like 15 minutes or 1 hour. Or select until you turn this off if you want continuous sharing. Then, choose who you want to share your location with. You can select people from your Google contacts, or you can send a link via apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, or email. You also have the option to allow the person to see your name, battery status, and location in real time. Stop sharing your location at any time by returning to the location, sharing screen, and tapping stop next to the person's name. If the person you want to share with doesn't have a Google account, no worries. You can simply tap on Copy to Clipboard to copy the private link, then send it through any messaging app. When they open the link, they'll be able to see your live location on a map through their browser. No login needed. And that's it. Sharing your real-time location using Google Maps is incredibly easy and useful. Whether you're navigating a busy event, meeting someone new, or just making sure a loved one gets home safe, this feature can really make a difference. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Stay safe and stay connected.